So Bobo, here are the keys, and here's the Ravi, looking particularly filthy and dirty because he's been driving through big puddles. So I'm going to open Ravi. Oh, actually, before I get into Ravi, I'm gonna do a video of what he looks like on the outside. There's Ravi in all his glory on this beautiful summer day, spring, whichever it is. There we go. And in we go. I'm just going to move myself back. Oh, and I've just noticed what your mommy did. Right, okay. So here's the steering wheel. All these wonderful things to tell you how much petrol you have, what speed you're going at. No idea what that one is. I'm sure mommy can tell you what it is. And then Ravi looking a bit dusty. The media station, you can listen to radio, you can connect it to your phone, and this is the little phone holder. It hugs the phone. And here's the little glove compartment with my secret stash of sweeties. Door. There's another little secret compartment for secret stash. And those are the crumbs I was telling you about, Bobo, from where Leo had his course on the other day. And yeah, his welly boots. And this is a small little seat, but also doubles up as somewhere for the armrest to come down. There we go. Let's see what else is there. That's interesting. That's for opening the front where the oil is and the water is. And just here on the floor, you pull this up and it opens up the little door so you can fill the car up with petrol. And it's a petrol car. Let's see, what else can I show you? Oh, little buttons for lights. No idea what this is. Mommy will tell you. And ta-da! Oh, look at this gorgeous day. Absolutely stunning. Now let's see what else we can have a look at. This is what it looks like from the back. There we go. And then we can have a little sneak peek inside the boot. So with the boot, took me a while to figure out, but there's a little button underneath. And there we go. What we have in here are some small leggings that are meant to go into a charity box. Lots of different types of shopping bags for when I go shopping for food. And this belongs to Ravi. No idea what it is, but there you go. Secret little compartment over here where I store Ravi's old floor mats. And so now, this is pretty cool. I can close the boot by pressing this button. No, maybe not. That was I thinking. So I'll have to press the button over here, and then it closes. Ta-da! And then we're gonna lock Ravi. The other thing I learned recently is how to put air in the tires. So there's the little thing over here that you unscrew and you pump the air and off you go. There we go. We shall do another little thing from the front. I realize that you don't know what Ravi looks like from the front. There's Ravi standing right next to your car. Ta-da!